we go. Amy's first look. We are at Shoshone Point, getting ready to peek at the Grand Canyon for the first time. Oh.
Wow.
So amazing, it makes you whisper.
And cry.
I know. You just have to take every single little cutout and walking spot because the view is entirely different every single time, even if it's of the same exact stuff. Ooh, so nice. What we got here? Oh, wife and doggos. Where is she? There she is, Sadie. Are you having fun? Is it so fun? Sadie. She can't talk right now. She'd really like to be walking. Holly's happy to hang out and do nothing. Okay, enjoying the Grand Canyon as a family. Wish you were here.
Coming around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that whistle keeps on blowing all down to San Antonio.
hiking Hermit's Trail this morning with my beautiful wife. That's the view for today. You'll be happy to know they have guardrails here. No, there'll be no falling today. Yeah. All right. Winning. Don't get too close. That's a little ways down. Oh. We forget how this altitude dehydrates us and makes us thirsty. Oh, you're such a mess. Look at it with no shadows, all just sun. First time I've seen that. Look at that river. What's the name of your mule?
Charlotte.
And what's her problem?
She's just done with this ride.
She's just like you.
No,
She's stubborn.
she's stubborn.
Yeah. All right, we just left Grand Canyon National Park and we got here and we've had an amazing, amazing time. Absolutely couldn't have asked for a better maiden voyage.
It was truly incredible.
Yeah, outside of the dogs being weird about absolutely everything. But it turned out good. They
got better about the time we were packing up to leave.
They did. They started figuring stuff out, and they've been really good. They're tagging along in the back.
Yeah. Say hi, doggos. Yeah, there you go, Sadie. Nice big yawn.
All the personality you could ask for right there. We're excited to see all the people back home, and Amy's got a few weeks left of work to finish out before we start planning our next big adventure. But it's been a wonderful success, and we are both, I think, tickled with how it went.
It was so awesome.
One of our best anniversary trips yet,
Absolutely.
and looking forward to more.